Patna is under continuous rains for almost 3 days now, and the situation is turning really bad. We have our whole the structure for draining water out has collapsed. All the drains are choked, and the situation is that now things can go downhill from here. Mostly all the places which were low-lying, water has reached 2 feet or 3 feet, and it's not floods, it's only rainwater that is accumulated. And the thing is that the Met Department has said heavy rains are expected for the next 24 hours, and Nepal is going to, and in the rains in the Nepal, Kathmandu has started today. So the thing is that from Kathmandu there is going to be, with heavy rains, some water from Nepal is also going to come into Bihar, and so the situation is going to worsen. I request everybody to raise awareness regarding this and help Bihar. Thank you.